What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside of Goodwill in Virginia, Fredericksburg, Virginia. This is huge. It's a superstore. Never been here before. Gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's go. All right, guys. This Goodwill is on Facebook. Mr. Fred. Let's see if he has anything good. All right, looks like adult t-shirts are $3.59 per piece. It's cheaper than Connecticut by far. I wonder, yeah, look at that. Okay, so that looks to be the main price on everything. Nothing's marked, so $3.59, that's a good deal. All right, these are kind of cool. Like little signs, may the force be with you in Groot. $6.96. That honestly seems kind of expensive, but they're kind of neat. I don't think I'm gonna grab them though. Jinping Mei, the adventurous history of Heisman and his 6 wives. Oh, I need to learn about that. All right, this might be a find right here. We have an Asus router. It's only 450 megabits, but look at the price on this thing, $1.99. This would be 20 bucks in Connecticut easily. So that's kind of cool. We could try to look it up. It's a dual band N router. Let's look it up together. All right, guys, so we found the router on Amazon, and sadly, I am restricted. But take a look at that price, $105. You'd make a lot of money. There's probably good money to be made on eBay, but take a look at what's missing. We have 3 antennas here, only 1 antenna here. It's missing 2 on each side. Might still be worth it, but I think I'm just gonna leave it behind. Still though, not bad if it had the other antennas. All right, here's something new I've never seen before. I noticed that brand there, Tivana. It's $6.96. It's a steeper. It's kind of cool. It's actually really clean. And I didn't know what to type in, so I just typed in Tivana steeper. And this popped up on Amazon. Take a look at that. That is pretty crazy. Now, I am allowed to sell it used. There's nobody selling it used. And the only 2 people selling it are just 2 random things. So it's totally fine to sell it. Probably get 40 bucks for it, if not more. That's pretty sweet. I think I'm gonna grab it for 7. Why not? I'll take it. All right, we're in the toy aisle. Let's see if we can find any cool hidden gems to go with my kettle. We have a London puzzle. So the first thing I like to look for is obviously anything brand new sealed, and then I'll scan pretty much all of that. And if I don't see anything brand new sealed, then I gotta do a little more digging. So here we go, we have something sealed right here. We have a test prep in a flash, reading comprehension. $2.29, it's probably not gonna be worth much. You can see it was originally retailing on the back right there for $12.99. So there is a possibility that it could sell for $13 to $15 on Amazon. I have the Amazon seller app pulled up, and we are going to scan in that barcode, take a look, and there it is. Nobody's on the listing. It doesn't have a rank, only 1 review. This is something I would definitely pass on, so it's going to stay right there. All right, so I didn't really find anything to flip, but found this cool baseball dartboard. That's a regular dartboard that's a little beat up, but this side had a cool baseball game, and I think I'm gonna get it for myself. It's made in England. I'm gonna hang it up downstairs next to my actual dartboard, and it's only $3.93. That is pretty cool. Also, I just noticed this baby Groot right here. Oh, I didn't know if it was talking. It's just a regular plush. Oh, his hand is missing. Okay, we'll leave him there. Is that a Squishmallow? All right, let's keep looking. The store is pretty big. It's mostly closed though. Look at all of the workout equipment here. I've actually been wanting to get myself one of these pull-up bar things. See how much they're charging for this. There's no way I could take it home, which stinks. I don't see a price anywhere on it either, but I have been looking for one. All right, the media section is looking pretty big actually. See if I could pan out. Take a look at that. That is honestly pretty good. We'll do a quick run through here and see if I find anything without having to scan. I'll just look through. One thing I do like to do is scan all the sealed things, if there are any, because some sealed prices can just be worth an astronomical amount for no reason. Like, what is this? Brooklyn South, the complete series? Sometimes complete series, oh, $15 seems really expensive. We'll look into it real quick, let's see. All right, so here's the Brooklyn South, $15, which is a little high, but I did look it up. Let's see if we could get that. There we go. Sells for $42.90 after fees, $28.95. Almost a double up. Pretty close, actually. We could take a look at the listing. Brand new, 61, used, 42. Pretty decent rank. That would be something I'd grab. Almost double up. And it should sell pretty quick. I'll check, make sure all the discs are in good condition. Why not? Look at that. It looks like they emptied out those. That DVD set, it was pretty scratched up. For $15, I might bring it to the front counter and see if they'll give me a discount. Because I do have a disc cleaner, but it was really scratched and it might not be worth it. Let's see if anything stands out to us here. There's a few different movies I like to look for. I was actually selling, I got these at the dollar store, a bunch of them for $1 each. And I was selling them for about 5 or 6. So I'm making a little bit of money there. I'm not seeing anything else that looks amazing. But yeah, you know what? I think we're probably good here. If I sold shoes, oh my gosh, are these right here? Pretty much the same shoe. That's kind of cool. These Nike Shox can be worth some great money if I sold shoes. It's 14 bucks, and they're not in terrible condition, honestly. They're pink, but they're, yeah, look how yellowed. You can't really tell on camera, but it's really yellowed. But these Nike Shox used to do really good. They definitely have some, Skechers, it's nothing. What is this? Canvas fashion, that looks terrible. But yeah, I don't really mess with clothes, so I always like to look, but I never really buy. What do we have here? 20 bucks, some Keens. Yeah, they just always seem so overpriced. $20, that's a lot to pay for thrift store shoes. But not bad, not bad. We're gonna possibly go hit up another thrift store. Right across from the Goodwill, right there, there is a Restore. I've never been to a Habitat for Humanity Restore, so you guys are getting a twofer. We're gonna go inside. They are open, yeah, they're open, and we'll see if we can find anything cool here to flip. All right, so we are inside of the Habitat for Humanity. Place is pretty big, lots of furniture mostly, but I found this little section of random mishmash stuff. I found code names for $2. That's a pretty good deal. I opened it up and it appeared to be complete. I would definitely have to count everything in here. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, it honestly looks pretty good. You never know until you count everything. So I think at $2, that is a steal and a deal. Take it. So it seems like this place sells mostly fixtures and things to work on houses and all that good stuff. So I just thought I'd scan a few things. They close in a couple minutes, so I probably won't be able to get anything, but it's cool to see these lighting kits right here for $12. And here it is on Amazon selling for $23. And if I were to send it in, oh, doesn't even tell me, can't even estimate all the fees. Probably make a few bucks on it. Definitely wouldn't be worth it. But they do have a lot of things like that, lots of brand new product, and it goes far back. So I do wish I had some more time in here to scan for you guys, but we did find a couple cool things today. The DVD set, not too bad if all the discs buffer out, and you know, we got the cool dartboard and the Tivana machine. So, you know, just a few things here and there. Whenever you're somewhere new, it's always good to check out the area, and I'm sure if I was here for longer and I could scan for longer, I would find a lot of stuff, but I'm happy with what I got.